What's up, guys? Miles back with the video. Today's topic I want to talk about, um, nobody's perfect, but there's always somebody that's worth it, right? What happens is, or in today's society, and people just in general, like we try to be perfectionists. And that's one of my downfalls and everything is I try to be a perfectionist. But being perfect just doesn't exist on planet Earth. There's no such thing as a perfect person, a perfect situation. There's always something that's going to go wrong, or always something that's a little bit off. Right? There's no perfects on planet Earth. So even the most attractive person, even the person that has the most money, even the person that, has all those things, has some kind of deficiency that we're not aware of, right? This is why we get extremely shocked when we see people or celebrities kill themselves, or they do some of the most debaucherous stuff. Is because we think that their lives are perfect, when in reality their problems are just different. So in today's society, we all think that we have to be perfect. We all think that we have to show just our good side of ourselves. Nobody wants to see the bad part of ourselves. Everybody wants to see the highlights of our life. Everybody wants to be the best, look the best, have the most money by 25. Like all of this unrealistic stuff that is not reality when it comes to life and individuals. What happens is you quickly find out everything's a process, but you tend to give up on things fast because you're not getting fast results, right? It didn't help that we can type in, a question on our iPhone and get the question within 5 seconds. It doesn't help that we can put oatmeal in the microwave for 30 seconds or for a minute to 30 seconds and it'll be ready for us, right? So it's really hard just because how our technology is structured and how society is structured to really get into delayed gratification. It's extremely hard, right? It's so hard today that it takes a special person to really be successful. It takes a special person to actually follow through on their goals, because if you're a reality seeker like me, you soon realize that everything's a process. Everything you have to work your way up, which means you have to be experienced. It takes 3 to 10 years of experience in a certain field for you to become good at it and become notarized in it, right? This is the 10,000 hour rule. But anyway, we all think we have to be perfect. So we think that our wife has to be perfect. We think that our friends have to be perfect. We think that our whatever it is, our boyfriend, whatever it is, has to be perfect, when in reality there's no perfect person on earth. It's just people that are worth, the pain of whatever you're trying to seek. Friends, relationships, it doesn't matter. Mentorship. So I don't want you guys to cycle through this and throw good people away because you disagree on 10% of everything, or 10% of things, but you agree on 90% of everything. But you throw that person away because you disagree with the 10%. That's really dumb. Matter of fact, I would go to say as far as to say as if you agree with somebody 70 to 80%, you should probably keep that person. You shouldn't discard that person for the 20 to 30% of what they don't have, right? Because what happens is you throw that person away and you try to find the person that has that other 20%, but their problems are different from the person that you had or problems. So it's always a tug of war, right? One of the realest songs and one of the realest sayings that have came out in recent years is grass ain't green on the other side, right? It's not. Oftentimes it's not. And it takes experience to fuck up a good situation to realize, damn, I had a good person. Damn, I had a good mentor. Damn. I had somebody that was worth it. They were not perfect, but they were worth it. But I just let them go because of the little problems that we had. And I've come here to tell you today, everybody's going to have problems. But do you have problems every day? Do you have disagreements every day? Do you fall out every day? If you don't, if the question is no, you should probably keep that person around. Right? As a matter of fact, you don't want a whole bunch of yes men or yes people around you anyway, right? Because it keeps you skewed from reality. This is why you see certain people when in success, they have a bunch of yes men around them to boost their ego, but they start doing stuff that's stupid and they quickly fall from the reins of power because they're disconnected from reality. So I want you guys to really focus in on this message and really think about this. Nobody's perfect. I don't want you to think you're not even perfect, right? You can try to chase perfection, but the closest you can probably get, is probably 90, 80, 90%. There's no such thing as perfect on this planet, in this world, right? Fuck what you heard, right? It's very hard to find good help. It's very hard to find good people in general that have interest in you, that want to help you for you. So you can't just throw away bad or good people just to throw them away, because it's going to be very hard to replace them, right? And this goes for a husband, a wife. This goes for a mentor, a friend, a social group, whatever it is. You can try to switch that person for somebody that you perceive as better, but often our perceptions are off. So we go with a different person, think that their situation is better, when in reality it's not any better. Matter of fact, it probably is a little bit worse, right? So I want you guys to think about this message, take it in. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this message. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like my content. If you like my content in general, consider donating via Cashapp, $Myleschum. Links in the description below. We out. Have a good day, good week. Stay focused. Love y'all, man. We out.